Hi guys, today I am doing a tutorial with the Tis the Season Eye and Face palette from Cosmic Brushes, and I will be creating this eyeshadow look for you today. Today I wanted to do a bit more of a neutral look, so I am going to focus on the second row of the eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to show you which colors I apply, what brush I use to apply them with, how I apply them. And then at the end, I will do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera and come back with a final look and give you my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette and the look itself. I'm really excited to start playing with this eyeshadow palette. It has such a beautiful color story. And I'm really excited to start my first tutorial with this one, but I can guarantee you it's not going to be the only one. I primed my eyelids with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Nougatine or Light 22. And then I just slightly filled my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift eyebrow pencil in the color Deep Brown. And I just set that with the Benefits Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter gel. It's a clear eyebrow gel. And I kind of really like how it turned out today. I went for a bit more of a natural look. I'm starting off with the color Ginger on a fluffy brush. This is the Essence Eye Blender brush. I really like this as a blender brush. It's very affordable and it does the job very well. And I'm just going to place that all over as, what's that? As a base eyeshadow color, just to basically set my concealer with and just create a foundational color for my eye look. Just pressing it all over and blending it out. I'm taking the color Cookies on a slightly more pointed blender brush. I think this, I'm not quite sure which one it is. It's a Crown Pro brush, but the label came off. I'm going to just place that in the deepest part of the crease and then slightly blend it upwards. Oh, such a beautiful shade. And I think you can really build it up if you want to. I'm not going to go too deep with it. Just want to deepen up the crease with it. Oh. Just taking it a bit higher. And I'm just taking a dab of that under the eye as well. I'm taking hot chocolate on a small pointed blender brush. This is the Crown Pro C528. It's my favorite brush for a bit more of a blended detail. And I'm going to place this in this outer corner and just, wow. Oh, I love this chocolate color. I'm just going to blend this outer corner of the crease softly inwards. I don't want it too deep on the inner side. I want most of the color here focused on the outer corner. I'm just taking it a bit onto the lid because I want the lid to transition from the dark to the sparkly shade. I'm just taking a teensy bit of that under the eye as well, just close to the lash line. And then I'm just going in with a previous brush to just blend these brown edges a bit into that orange color. Don't need too much blending with this formula. It's very easy to work with formula. Now, if you're the type of person who like all matte eyeshadow looks, you could very easily just take some of that ginger on this eyelid as well. And I think you'd have a very elegant all matte eyeshadow look there. I'm going to take some of the Pat McGrath Intensifies Artistry wand and just put some of that on the lid. It's not to enhance the shimmers. I have full confidence in these shimmers. I just want them to last all day because I'm going to be out for a long day today. Just placing that all over the lid. I'm taking Candlelight on a finger. It's a really pretty orangey color. Well, orangey gold. I'm just dabbing that on the eyelid. Not up to the end. I just want to focus it basically on the inner 2/3 of the lid. And then I'm just going to blend the edges with that dark brush. I want it to blend into this dark color. And then I'll just blend these edges as well with the same brush. Just on this innermost part, I don't want to get too dark, so I'm using the brush I used the orange with to blend there. I'm taking Celebrate. It's this beautiful, almost like a peachy skin tone type of color. And I'm going to just add that to my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. Just dab it in there. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. I think this one would look stunning all over the lid as well. And I think I'm happy with the look as it is. I'm going to do my eyeliner and eyelashes, and I will be back with my final eyeshadow look. Okay, so I'm back with the final eyeshadow look. I really love the way this one turned out. I think the colors really complement my eye color. I think it's a beautiful fit. And does that not look just so elegant? I just added my usual Sky High mascara from Maybelline on the eyelashes, and I think it's just the plain black color, very black. And then I added some of the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner at the top. I just made a tiny little wing. It's not very big. I didn't want to go too dramatic with the wing. And I added some of the Huda Creamy Kohl eyeliner in the color Very Vanta in the waterline at the bottom. And then for eyelashes, I just added some Ardell 120s. I think it's Wispies, but I will link them in the description box in the bottom. And then back to the eyeshadow look. I think this is a very great look for people who are intimidated by color, but actually does want to play a little bit with color. I really like this orangey golden color, and it complements the orange shade, the matte shade on the top very well. The formula is typical Cosmic Brushes formula. The mattes are very blendable, the shimmers are gorgeous, and I mean, I've got nothing negative to say about the colors that I used, the formula, the shades, anything of this eyeshadow palette. I'm very excited to play with the other colors, so you can really expect some more tutorials using this eyeshadow palette from me. And just overall, I'm very happy that I bought this eyeshadow palette. I wasn't going to buy it at first. I was kind of on a purchasing pause for makeup products for the month, but I really felt like I need to have this one, and I'm really glad that I bought it. So let me know what you think, and please let me know which of the other color rows you're the most excited about seeing, so that I can get on to the next look as soon as possible. And then I hope you enjoyed the video. If you were on the fence about buying this eyeshadow palette, I hope it helped you a bit in deciding. I do have a swatches video that I will link somewhere for you if you want to see the swatches of all the colors. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!